Annyeonghaseyo, marry me.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so we will have another retest for you with regards of the multiplication table test. So are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so do not be nervous and do not be shy, marry me, ha? So you can do it. Just trust and believe to yourself. Okay, so let's start. Let's have 10 random questions. 9 times 9,
81.
8 times 8,
64.
7 times 7,
49.
6 times 6,
36.
5 times 8,
5 times 8, 40.
4 times 4.
16.
Okay, 3 times 7,
21.
2 times 8,
16.
2 times 9,
18.
9 times 6.
54.
Okay, congratulations, marry me. But I will have an advice para nimo, okay? So please, again, do self-study sa multiplication, ha? Para dili na ma-loading inig answer. Okay. Good job, marry me. Naka-answer na jud si marry me sa retest, naka-pass na. But self-study gihapon sa multiplication, ha? Okay, very good. Bye-bye, marry me. Na-happy na ka kay naka-pass na ka sa retest? Okay. Okay, annyeonghaseyo. Good morning.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so welcome sa atong sponsorship video. Okay, so since the other parents is not around because they are working, so some of the students attend for the sponsorship video together with other parents.
Good day, everyone. This is Teacher Vivian, the team leader of the Teachers Group on Math and White channel. So, I am here again to educate and to have a clarification, especially to our members who have already as sponsors. It's been a year, it's been a while, and you know that having a sponsorship is really big. It really helps a lot in our daily life, right? Especially our financial problem. And now it is a new year, so we have a new rules to be implemented. So kani siya pahimangno sa mga members. Even though sa mga members nga dili wala pa sponsors, kay para ma-aware mo na unsay bukadtod. Na so kani siya donation.
So aside from the sponsorship video, I also prepare parents meeting agenda.
Fam, and welcome to our parents meeting agenda. For number 1, dental hygiene. Remind students as well as children to brush 3 times a day. Number 2, saving money through PNB and Cebuana. Number 3, parents volunteers for putting Tropal and take out Tropal for monthly donation live broadcast purposes. Parents volunteers for clean up drive maintaining cleanliness for the area. Remind parents, do not misunderstand teacher to discipline students of too much noise, bullying classmates, not following rules. Number 6, time is time policy. Remind students always not to be late and manage time properly. Eradicate Filipino style was always late and lazy. Always be mindful to follow rules and time schedule properly. Number 7, during live broadcast, please mohangyo me with regards sa mga loud musics, sounds, disco nga maka-interrupt sa live, which is not good and may lead to misunderstanding. Number 8, reminders. Also, that we should appreciate and be thankful no matter how small or big the donation nga ma-receive. We should think that monthly live donation is a happy gatherings of students, not by staring donations only. And also to remind that sponsorship and channel is not forever.
Annyeonghaseyo students! Okay, good evening. So, for tonight, we'll be having a movie marathon. So, some of you, you can just now take your seats. Take your seats, some of you. Who's standing, you may now take your seats in front for you to have a comfortable seat. Okay, so we'll be having a movie marathon and you need to watch and learn for the moral lesson in it. Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Are you all excited?
Yes.
Okay, so let's start watching the movie marathon.
Hi, Susan.
Aw, Coach. That's too easy in the grand scheme of things.
Cell phone. You too, Megan.
I don't actually have detention. I'm just writing an article for the school paper on our disciplinary system. Exhilarating.
Nice of you to join us, Eliza.
Would you care to comment on the administration's decision to pull you out of football for disciplinary reasons?
Susan, I appreciate team matters. Team.
School matter. That's the way the paper sees it. Authenticity, Coach. A good reporter follows the story no matter where it leads.
You just not have attention, don't you?
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, Teacher Nissan.
Alright, so today is Friday, and as I told you, you're going to have your toothbrush. So you may now start. You may sit down para makatarong mag-toothbrush. Lang, dako adjug sudlan ning ayo. So toothbrush every day, tooth decay away. Make sure nga yun. So, as I told you, you should have this habit 3 times a day. Mag-toothbrush mo 3 times a day. Before mo kaon, ikod to, ikagabi, man-brush mo. Karon nag-toothbrush mo gabi, pero man-toothbrush mo sa una. Dapat mo man-toothbrush para hindi inyong ipon nice. Hindi ka man-toothbrush, Angeline? Oh. Ano naman sige tukod na? Buntag, gabi. Pwede pa to gabi. Kung mauli naman ka eskwelahan, man-toothbrush mo. Buntag o gabi?
Buntag o gabi.
Oh.
Kasi para di mo sakit ang ngipin.
Oh, pwede masakit yung ipon. So, once you're done, pagkalamugmog na mo if you're done. So, dapat dili lang sa video manutbrush ha. Dapat mag-toothbrush mo sa inyo ha. If you're done, limugmog na. Oh, who's done? Kisa na yung nag-toothbrush?
Wala pa. Pinalimpyo lang na. O, mana si RB. Asa na RB? Asa Ella? Cheryl. Yes siya. Si Kissy. Ari sa boy. So, pinahuman. Ari na nga side. Mana ka siya. Saya? Manasan si Kayla. Mana ka, RJ? Ikaw, Jim. Sira yung mga teeth. Let me see. Kung na-gold na ba yung mga teeth. Naganang silak-silak na mas kaputi. Okay. Bye, guys. Bye. Grabe, dadun ka ng... Ay, Raba, dako kayong sulanan. Dako pa niya. Sige, bye na. Bye.
Today ang presentasyon sa grade 8 ng Pilipinas. Ipakita na ang galing ng Pilipino. Tangan ng kanta ng Pilipinas. Oo, tangan ng kanta ng Pilipinas. Pilipinas, kanta ng Pilipinas, kanta ng Pilipinas, ipakita na ang galing ng Pilipino, kanta ng Pilipinas, kanta ng Pilipinas. Sa mga taong sa Mindanao, piling mo ay sadyang mahanga.
Ayun sa'yo. Ate, nagbakuan na day mo. Nagpatindahan. So, yun mo na dyan tayo nang ipatindahan, ti. Palit ako.
Hindi mo, ha?
Wala, agi ka gani ko. Gikan kay Lamaksin. Pagkita daw ko na, aga ka mo. Ano sa maniti, sumpara sa inyong balay?
Dili, are ang ko.
Ay, giko ni siya. Wala pa ni siya door.
Oo, kay temporary.
Temporary. Pagkita daw ko ba? Dili siya sumpay.
Dili, wala ka gikuan kay sayangan ko. Kay kani.
Awon.
Kuan mo dubulin man siya gud.
So, naray ko, hindi ka pertahan.
Oh, nader kani.
Sorry, mong barbecuehan.
Oh.
Nahuman na dahil tino. Dali aga good. Usa man ni pag-ablit eh, pasod. Ang imuhang pertahan?
Oh, pasod. Paabli raman.
Abi na ko wala pa nahuman ti. Abi na ko wala pa nahuman. Dali ka dahil no.
Nahuman na yun.
Sorry na lang muna to. So, palakan pa na nimo.
Ha?
Temporary ka ng PC. Palakan pa na nimo og kuan tarong. Sige ra ay ano lang. So, this is using your own money? Savings?
Nag-save ka pala. Sus, marbuyag. Kakugihan sa mother of 5. 5 din, no? Sige, ate, oy. Bye-bye. Niagir ako kay nigikan ko la Maxine. Bye-bye. Sorry for disturbing you. Take care. Bye, te. Caitlin's grandmother.